Welcome everybody, it is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on Wednesday. It is March the 2nd. We're breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus. It is one box, but at least two hits inside. Randomed are 9 remaining box numbers. 12 is what we got. Random team sales on your left. Teams, customer has been randomized, alphabetized. We gave everybody a chance to trade. Just double checking my chat one last time. All right, here we go. Not seeing anything. So we're going to pop your seal. Well. Actually, both of those spots are going to hit in some way, guys. The ones we were just talking about. Gonna be the Sean Young Blade Runner pop. Also going to be the Browns Legends, folks. That's signed by 12. Let me actually grab bags. Oh, man, let me grab the Millie Bobby Brown. I mean the Sean Young. Alright, so that's the Sean Young Blade Runner pop, guys. PSA certification on that, baby. So that's going to be the Brown Young spot. Let me get this dang thing opened. Bam. That is signed by 12 there, folks. Give me a second, guys. I'm actually going to look that up on JSA because I can't find my damn doc that has it in. It says Kevin Mack, Greg Pruitt, Mike Pruitt, Webster Slaughter, Reggie Langhorn, Frank Minifield, Hanford Dixon, and Mike Babb. So, bam! Very nice hit for Seacon. I thought I saw that was. Well, I'm very sorry, everybody else. Congrats, Seacon, stepping in, grabbing a nice jersey there. Alright, guys, that is going to wrap up that one. Alright, so this goes to Seacon. Raid goes too dark. Alright, folks, that is going to wrap up that one boxer, guys. See if we can get another one out here. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, 8 p.m. Central, folks, at Bobbit 2 Pops Breaks.